Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. In this video, I will show you how to manipulate data with shortcuts followed by the previous two shortcut videos. So let's say I would like to add a column before F. Then in that case, I have to press Ctrl and space to select the whole column regardless the data. And then I have to press Ctrl Shift plus. Then I can see there is one empty column created. If I want to delete it, I have to press Ctrl minus. Okay. So one thing I have to remember for creating a column in laptop, we have to use Ctrl Shift plus. Otherwise, if it is a full keyboard, then we can simply use Ctrl plus to create a column. Similarly, if I want to create one empty rows in between the data, then first I have to select the whole column. Remember, I have two ways. One way is select the whole data rows with Ctrl Enter and right key. If I want to select the whole column regardless the data, then I have to press Shift Enter, Shift space. Then I can see the whole row number 5 selected. Now I would like to enter one empty rows in between row 5 and row 4. So then I have to click Ctrl Shift and plus. Then I can see one empty rows selected in between 4 and 6, which is 5. If I want to delete it, click Ctrl minus. I have to select the rows first, then Ctrl minus. Then I can see it is gone. Now, if I want to hide a row, let's say column D, then what I have to do? I have to select the whole column, pressing Ctrl Shift down arrow, and then Ctrl 0. Similarly, if I want to hide a row for the, let's say, all the information for US, then I have to select the whole data in this row, and then I can simply press Ctrl 9. Then I can see that this row also gone. Thanks everyone.